She's almost as big as you are, Rena.
I know. I can barely hold her. And her head's on my knee.
I know, with those little toothpick arms. Charity, you love your sissy. Does your Rena take care of you? Aww. I could make dinner tonight, but you know, I'm kind of feeling fried chicken.
I feel like soup.
Aw, man. Fine. You don't want like KFC?
What is KFC?
It's a chicken place. I know, she looks like she's gonna fall, babe. You better pick up them little toothpick arms. There you go. Don't drop her head on the corner. That way. There you go.
Now my arms. You want to get down?
Don't put me down, Rena. You can sit her in your lap, babe. If you sit down and then sit her on your lap, and then she can lean back on you. There you go. There, now drink your baba. Oh, that didn't work out.
Get up.